The stories we had over the next few days, and just to repeat it, it is going to be the cold. The cold is going to be the story. It's minus 30, if not lower than that. Wind chills very likely for us in the Denver area between Sunday and Monday of this upcoming weekend and next week. Just to be transparent, I'm recording this on Wednesday morning, January the 15th. So let's take a look at that overall outlook and how things will play out as we head over the next couple of days. First things first, we're warm until Friday evening. Friday evening, a polar Arctic air mass moves its way through. This is, again, truly an air mass. I was looking at some of the backward trajectory models on this. The air mass originates in the Northwest Territories of northern Canada. This is the equivalent of like northern Canada, basically, where we're going to be talking about this air mass rushing down into the lower 48, dislodged by an area high pressure in Alaska. But point being, here in Colorado, we feel the impacts of that initial front likely for us on Friday evening between about 4 and 8 p.m. That's the way it looks right now. That is still a little subject to change, but it is going to be very, very cold for us, no doubt about it. On Friday night and to Saturday morning, with a good 20 to 30 degree temperature drop, a big rush of wind, you will notice the front. It'll probably kick up some dust as well as it moves through. Then we see snow develop somewhere Friday night, probably after about 8, 9 o'clock or so. Not huge impacts on Friday night. Looks like Saturday morning we see that snowfall. Modeling has trended a little lower on those snowfall amounts for Saturday specifically. Still looking at about 2 to 6 inches for most of the Denver area and along the Front Range I-25 corridor. Blizzard conditions possible on the eastern plains, so I-70, I-76 on Saturday in particular looks like a no-go to me. So the eastern plains, again, avoid I-70, I-76. Not going to be snowing that heavily. It's just going to be windy out there on the plains, and it will be actively snowing as well. And then we see those temperatures only top out in the teens. We'll say trending a tick warmer in the overnight modeling for Saturday specifically. Warmer. I mean, by warmer, we're going from 15 to 18. Whoop-de-doo. But as we look ahead to Saturday night and Sunday morning, that's when we bottom out probably about -5 in terms of that air temperature. Wind chills start getting down to the -20 territory. And then Sunday, it probably does not get above about 5, 6 degrees or so for us in Denver during the day on Sunday. We get another wave of snow Sunday night, and by Monday morning, it's still snowing for us. It's still really, really cold for us in the Denver area as well. And on Monday, there's a chance, if there's a day we don't hit zero in terms of high temperature, it would be Monday, MLK Day. We're talking about dangerously cold stuff with -30 wind chills, likely widespread. It looks like it snows most of the morning, another 1 to 3, maybe 2 to 4 inches on Monday morning. And then we finally, by Tuesday morning, start to break out of it. One more sub-zero reading for us on Tuesday morning. Then we start to get a bit warmer, back into the upper 20s, and we're probably going to snap our below freezing streak sometime on Wednesday. That'd be my guess right now. But of course, I'll keep you posted with the very latest on this, and we'll be tracking it for you here on 9 News and 9 News Plus throughout the storm as well.